Dubai looks like the future. Skyscrapers that twist into the sky, artificial islands shaped like palm trees, indoor ski slopes in the middle of the desert. But here's what most Americans don't realize before landing. Dubai can be either surprisingly affordable and smooth, or wildly expensive and frustrating. Hotel locations matter, timing matters, even which side of the metro you exit matters. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what to see, what it really costs in 2026, where to stay, what scams to avoid, cultural rules you cannot ignore, and how to experience Dubai without spending like a celebrity. If you want travel guides that help you plan smarter and avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. Let's build your Dubai trip the right way. Section 1. Understanding Dubai. Dubai is not a walkable European-style city. It's spread out, highway-connected, and built in zones. The main visitor areas are downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, JBR, Palm Jumeirah, and Old Dubai. Transportation strategy is critical. The Dubai Metro is clean, efficient, and affordable. A typical ride costs $1 to $3. A daily transportation budget of $5 to $12 is realistic if you use public transit. Taxis are not outrageously expensive compared to major U.S. cities, but traffic can add time. A 20-minute ride may cost $15 to $25 depending on distance. Money-saving tip number 1. Stay near a metro station. This alone can save you $150 to $300 over a 5-day trip. Now let's start with the icon. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and it's the #1 attraction for first-time visitors. Observation deck tickets range from $45 to $75 depending on time. Sunset hours are the most expensive and sell out days in advance. Here's the strategy. Book either early morning, 8 to 10 a.m., or late evening after 8 p.m. You'll pay less and deal with fewer crowds. In a minute, I'll tell you how to get an incredible skyline view for free. Downtown Dubai also includes Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls in the world. Even if you're not shopping, it's worth seeing the indoor aquarium, waterfall installation, and sheer scale. Food inside the mall ranges widely. Budget meal, $12 to $20 mid-range restaurant, $25 to $50 high-end dining with fountain views, $70 to $150 plus. Money-saving tip number 2. Watch the Dubai Fountain Show for free outside every 30 minutes in the evening. You do not need a restaurant reservation to enjoy it. Free skyline alternative. Visit one of the rooftop lounges during off-peak hours and order one drink instead of buying a premium observation ticket. Dubai Marina is where the city feels alive at night. Skyscrapers line the water, yachts fill the harbor, and restaurants are everywhere. Walking along Marina Walk costs nothing and gives you some of the best night views in the city. JBR Beach is public and free to access. You can swim, relax, and enjoy skyline views without paying resort prices. However, beachfront restaurants here are more expensive. Budget travelers can eat for $15 to $25. Mid-range dining averages $30 to $60 per person. Money-saving tip number 3. Buy snacks and water at supermarkets like Carrefour instead of beach kiosks charging triple. In a moment, I'll explain why staying in the marina might be smarter than staying downtown. Reason: Marina offers beach access, nightlife, and walkability in one area, reducing daily transportation costs. Palm Jumeirah is iconic, but staying here is expensive. Hotels often range, mid-range, $250 to $400 per night. Luxury resorts, $500 to $1,500 plus. If your budget allows, one night on the Palm can be memorable. But you don't need to stay here to enjoy it. You can visit public beach areas and dine at restaurants without booking a resort room. Money-saving tip number 4. Use the Palm monorail for scenic views instead of relying solely on taxis. A desert safari is one of the most popular activities in Dubai. Pricing ranges from $40 for basic group tours to $120 plus for premium experiences with upgraded dinners and smaller groups. Avoid the absolute cheapest options without reviews. Quality varies dramatically. Typical package includes dune bashing, camel rides, dinner buffet, and cultural performances. In a minute, I'll tell you the mistake that ruins this experience for many travelers. Mistake: booking during peak summer heat. From June to September, temperatures can exceed 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Even evenings are hot. Best season for desert safaris, November through March. Many visitors only see modern Dubai and miss its historical side. Old Dubai near the creek offers gold and spice souks. Entry is free. You can wander markets without buying. Bargaining is expected in some areas, but be respectful. Money-saving tip number 5. Compare prices between multiple vendors before purchasing gold or souvenirs. Take an Abra boat ride across the creek, typically under $1. It's one of the cheapest and most authentic experiences in the city. Flights from the U.S., $700 to $1,400 depending on season. Hotel per night, budget, $100 to $180 mid-range, $200 to $350 luxury, $500 plus. Food per day, budget, $30 to $50 mid-range, $60 to $120 luxury, $200 plus attractions and tours, $150 to $400 depending on choices. Estimated total mid-range 5-day trip, $2,500 to $4,000 per person. Luxury travelers can easily exceed $7,000. Always verify current pricing before booking, especially during major events or holiday seasons. November to March, ideal weather, high season, higher hotel prices. April and October, shoulder season, better hotel deals, warm but manageable temperatures. May to September, extremely hot. Hotel prices drop significantly, but outdoor activities become limited. If you're budget conscious and heat tolerant, summer offers major hotel discounts. Dubai is modern but conservative. Public intoxication can lead to fines or legal trouble. Avoid public displays of affection. Dress modestly in malls and religious areas. During Ramadan, eating and drinking in public during daylight hours may be restricted. Respecting local laws is not optional. Not booking Burj Khalifa tickets in advance. Underestimating distances between neighborhoods. Visiting in peak summer without preparation. Overspending on luxury brunches without checking inclusions. Staying far from metro access. Ignoring dress codes. Booking desert tours without reading reviews. Day 1, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, Fountain Show. Day 2, Marina Walk, JBR Beach, Evening Yacht Cruise. Day 3, Desert Safari Experience. Day 4, Old Dubai, Souks, Creek Boat Ride, Sunset Rooftop. Balance modern attractions with cultural experiences. Dubai is one of the safest cities globally in terms of violent crime. The biggest risks are heat exhaustion and overspending. Stay hydrated, always carry water. Dubai is about contrast, ultra-luxury and local markets, desert silence and urban spectacle. You do not need to be a millionaire to enjoy it, but you do need a strategy. Stay near metro access. Book major attractions early. Balance one luxury experience with several free or low-cost activities. If this guide helped you understand Dubai better, like the video. Subscribe for weekly global travel breakdowns built specifically for U.S. travelers. And comment below which destination should we cover next.